In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update my WhatsApp. We will walk through the update using the official App Store so you keep getting the newest features and security fixes without any hassle. On Android, start by opening the Google Play Store app. Look for the familiar multicolor play button icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main store page with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below, which confirms you are in the right place. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the Play Store screen. On most phones, this is a small round icon that may show your photo or a colored letter. When you tap it, a menu will slide down, covering part of the screen, showing options like managing your account and app settings. From there, tap Manage Apps and Device. This option is usually near the top of that drop-down menu. When you select it, the screen changes to a page that focuses only on apps installed on your phone, rather than new apps to download. You will see sections like Overview and Manage, along with how much storage you are using. Next up, tap Updates Available. This will usually appear as a line with a small text showing how many apps can be updated right now. Once you tap it, the screen will list all the apps on your phone that have newer versions waiting, and you might see a short description like Update All at the top. At this point, find WhatsApp Messenger in the list. Scroll slowly if you have many apps so you do not miss it. The app icon is a green speech bubble with a white phone symbol inside. Checking the name and the icon together helps avoid tapping the wrong app with a similar name. Once you have located it, tap Update. The Update button sits on the right side of the WhatsApp Messenger row. As soon as you tap, that button changes into a small progress bar, and you might also see a percentage grow as the download and installation move forward. Beginners sometimes tap repeatedly, but one tap is enough because the bar shows it is already working. Now wait for the update to finish. Keep this screen open and watch for the progress bar to complete. When the update is done, the update button turns into an open button and the progress bar disappears. On a stable internet connection, this usually takes from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your speed. After that, tap Open to open WhatsApp. The app will launch, and you will see your usual chat screen with your existing conversations and groups, just like before. Behind the scenes, you are now running the latest version, so new features and security fixes are active right away. You have now successfully updated WhatsApp through the Google Play Store, keeping your chats current and secure. If this walkthrough helped you update WhatsApp smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple app guides.